Yeah. I was the one at the bottom, came from a wishing well. It was like hell in the cell, but now it's vibing now. I'm told I'm vibing now. Money keep hurting myself.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am back again with another video. If you are a continuing subscriber, welcome back to my channel. If you're not subscribed to my channel, then what are you waiting for? Go ahead and stop this video and subscribe right now. So now that you have subscribed to my channel, welcome to the vibe of the Central. Basically, I had posted on my social media asking you guys to ask me some questions for a updated Q&A. So that's what we're gonna get right into. So if you guys don't have me on social media, please make sure that you follow me on Instagram and add me on Snapchat, because that's where I post most of my updates that are coming up for YouTube or anything new that I have going on in my life. That's where you're gonna see everything. So make sure you guys follow me and add me on social media if you haven't already. So as you guys can see by today's title, today is gonna be a updated Q&A. So initially I posted on my Instagram and my Snapchat, and I told you guys to ask me some questions, anything personal, business related, anything that you guys wanted to know about me. So we're just gonna get right into this video. I'm gonna answer some of your questions. So the first question we have is, how have you been mentally? Mentally, as of right now, I'm doing really good compared to how I was before. And you guys may have already known like what I'm talking about in my previous videos about me moving and that whole process of me being depressed and all of that stuff. So as of right now, I'm doing pretty good. I feel like my life is finally starting to go where I need it to be, and it's finally starting to fit into place, you know. Like, I'm really starting to accomplish everything that I've basically been dreaming of, and I'm just really proud of myself. And I have to give myself more credit, because anytime I accomplish something, my mind is always stuck on, you gotta do better, you gotta do better, you know, you gotta like overachieve, you know, that type of thing. Even though I'm not really an overachiever, but when it comes to my own accomplishments, I always push myself more than anyone would ever push me. That's just how, you know, that's just how I learn. That's just how I evolve. That's just how, you know, I learn to deal with life. So basically, yeah, I mean, I've been pretty good mentally. I would say I'm in a good mental space as of right now, and hopefully it stays like that, because I'm in, you know, I'm in a very good state. I can say that I am very happy with what's been going on in my life, and I'm super excited for everything that I have that's coming up. Next question we have is, what is your favorite drink? Now this question is a little weird, because I wasn't sure if you were asking me like my favorite beverage or like my favorite alcoholic drink. But my favorite beverage, like juices and stuff, is cranberry juice. That is literally my favorite. That is my go-to. Ask anybody, I literally drink cranberry every single day. And it's good for you. Cranberry is very good for your kidneys. So that's another thing. That's another reason why I drink cranberry juice, because of my kidneys. And that is something else. I don't think I ever came on here and discussed like my actual health with you guys. Maybe that's something I will do in the future, but right now that's just something that's kind of personal. But yeah, my favorite beverage is cranberry juice, and I drink it to help, you know, my kidneys flow and all of that. My favorite alcoholic drink, it used to be Hennessy and Saveca. It used to be mango and pineapple mango and strawberry lemonade Saveca. I like Hennessy, but recently I've been drinking Crown Royal, which is not even my type of drink, but I just started trying it out and it's pretty good. So yeah, if you're above 21, go ahead and try some Crown Royal and some Hennessy while you're at it. And don't ask me how old I am. In my head, I'm 21. My birthday is in like 6 months, but yeah. Next question we have, which one do you prefer, love or trust? To me, this is a simple question, because you can't love without trust. So you can't have one and not have the other, you know what I'm saying? Like, you can't love somebody and not trust them. I would say I prefer trust, because if I can't trust you, then there's no way I can love you. Like, trust is everything to me. Like, I have to be able to put my full trust, like my life, I have to be able to put my life in your hands. Like, that's the type of trust that I believe in. You know, I have to be able to put my own life in your hands and know that I'm safe and protected, and that's what I really care about. I care about trust, okay? Like, the love comes after the trust. That's how it works in my book and in my head. So next question we have, this is kind of similar to what I just discussed before, but this question said, do you feel like you accomplished enough in life? I would say yeah, but me being who I am, I'm gonna say no. But in a way, I do feel like I accomplished a lot, because at the age of 18, I moved into my first apartment without anyone's help. You know what I'm saying? Like, at the age of 19, 20, I got my first car. You know, I got my first house. So for my age, I did accomplish a lot, and I'm very proud of myself for that. But I still have a lot more that needs to get done, or a lot more that I need to do. So in my head, I don't feel like I accomplished enough, but I accomplished enough for, you know, that year, which was 2021, because that was a very terrible year for me. So the fact that I accomplished so much towards the end of the year before it was over, I'm very proud of myself for that, because I wouldn't have done it without the people that's been around me and the people that's been supporting me and pushing me to continue doing what I'm doing. So I'm very grateful for you guys. But yeah, I would say I accomplished, you know, I'm proud of what I accomplished. I definitely am proud of what I accomplished, but in my head, I don't really feel like I accomplished enough yet, because I haven't really made that big step. But that's coming very soon, so y'all gonna be on the road with me. Next question is, how do you feel about driving now that you have your license? I'm very much more confident with driving. I feel like I'm very more carefree because I know I have my license. Like, when I had my permit only, like, I was a little anxious because I was scared of like my surroundings or things that could happen, but what stayed in the back of my head was how I can prevent that. So that's another big reason why I definitely needed to get my license. But I'm very grateful to have my license. Like, that was just like another accomplishment to me. Like, that just completed my whole life. That's what it feels like in my head. Like, getting my license completed most of my life, or it completed my whole life. But I'm really comfortable with driving. Like, I feel like the more I drive, like, the more exciting it gets. Like, it be some days that I'm off of work and I'm just chilling at home, and in my head I'm just like, dang, I want to drive somewhere. Like, I want to go somewhere. Like, I want to do this, I want to do that. So it's good to have that feeling, to know that you can, you know, basically take yourself wherever you need to be. Dang, sis. Sorry guys, my cat has been sneezing like crazy. I'm pretty sure y'all heard that. But anyways, it's good to know that you could basically take yourself anywhere you need to go and not have to worry about, you know, waiting on other people or working around other people's schedules and things like that. So I'm super happy to be driving, to finally have my license, have my first car that's fully paid off. I don't have to worry about financing anything or paying off anything. So I'm super happy and grateful for that. Next, who's next? Go, 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 go. Next question we have is, what are your YouTube goals? So basically, my goals for right now is basically just to start creating more content and being more active on YouTube. I know you guys probably noticed ever since Vlogmas, I've been a little bit more active. You know, I've been getting back on my stuff. Like, as y'all see, I finally started using my vlogging camera again. So y'all already know that means I'm gonna have a lot more videos coming for you guys. So I'm super excited for that. But I pretty much just wanna like increase my fan base. I want to expand and increase my fan base. Like, I want to become worldwide on YouTube. Like, I want people to, you know, see me and say, oh, that's that YouTuber, you know, that little cringy stuff. You know, I like stuff like that. Like, I'm not like a attention seeking type of person unless it's for the right thing, like actually doing something that you believe in. I want to build my subscriber count. My goal right now is to reach 50,000 subscribers. I don't have a select date of when I want to reach this by, but that is my goal as of right now. So I'm gonna need y'all to help me with that. So make sure y'all like this video, make sure y'all comment, and make sure y'all subscribe, because I'm gonna need y'all help to get 50,000 subscribers. Are y'all with me? Are y'all with me? All right, let's get to it. So yeah, basically that's my goal for YouTube. Also, I want to be able to collab with other YouTubers. It's kind of hard to do that because there's not a lot of YouTubers in my specific area of Maryland. So I'm just trying to build my fan base so that, you know, I'll be able to basically travel for YouTube and do stuff like that. So I really just want to build my fan base to be able to get myself out there. So y'all know my goals, and y'all know what I want to do, and y'all know what I want y'all to do. So let's do this together. Question is, what are my future plans career wise, and if I have any trips coming up? So my future plan career wise, ever since not even high school, before middle school, I've always wanted to be a fashion designer. That has been my top priority goal. Like, when I say that has been my goal, like, that is literally something that I love to do, and that is literally my passion. So my goal is to become a fashion designer. Yeah. So basically what that means is I'm like one of those people that, like, I like to start from scratch. So I really love to sew. Like, I haven't sewed in so long, but when I was younger, I used to do it a lot, and I used to make my own clothes and, you know, take old clothes and recreate it and turn it into something new. I forgot what that's called. I think it's called upcycling. Like, when I was younger, I used to watch like a whole bunch of videos on upcycling and taking old clothes and making it into something new. So I used to do all of that stuff. And I actually went to school for fashion. I went to the High School of Fashion Industry that is in Manhattan, New York. And I went there for 3 years before I moved out here to Maryland. And I absolutely love that school. Even though it was stressful, I loved it because I was doing something that I enjoyed doing. I was sewing. I was getting like the full detail, the full breakdown of basically every category in fashion. They have draping, they have quilting, they have so many categories to choose from. But my thing is, like, living where I am in Maryland, there are not many options to, you know, what I want to do in life and my career. So to be able to do that, I have to expand, meaning I have to go somewhere else. So as of right now, my goal is to become a fashion designer, but that will be my major. My minor would probably be something like graphic design or something that has to do like with online graphics, because I really love doing that too, like designing like websites and things like that, and logos and all types of those stuff. I really love doing stuff like that. So that is something that I'm definitely interested in doing in my future, but I will just have to wait it out and see where life takes me. You know, I just gotta set my goals. I gotta manifest everything that I want in life. So yeah. And the second part of that question was, do I have any like trips coming up? So if y'all don't know, now y'all know, my birthday is July 10th, a Cancer season, and my goal is to go to Jamaica for my birthday. So not exactly how that's gonna go with COVID and all of that, but I just want to go back to my country just at least one time, just to basically feel free. You know, I haven't been to Jamaica. If you don't know, I am Jamaican, and I was born and raised there, but I haven't been there in close to 10 years now. It's probably not even 8, or something like that, but close to 10 years, and it's been a long time. Like, once you're born somewhere else and you haven't been there for like 10 plus years, there's like a different feeling where you feel like you need to go home. Like, even though you might not live there anymore, but that's still your home because that's where you originated from, you know what I'm saying? So I just feel like I need to go home just to feel free and like let go of whatever I'm dealing with, good or bad, and just live my life. And plus I'm gonna be 21, so you know your girl gotta be turning up. I gotta be getting drunk, I gotta be getting lit. Like, I can't just spend my 21st birthday in the US. I don't know, that just doesn't sound right. Like, I have to go out the country, I have to go somewhere. If I don't go to Jamaica, best and believe I'm gonna go somewhere. I don't know where else I want to go yet, maybe Puerto Rico, but you know I can't speak Spanish, so I don't know how that's gonna go. I'm gonna need a tour guide or something. But yeah, I definitely want to take some trips in my future, definitely this summer, because one of my second goals is to actually travel more. So whether that's driving, flying, train, bus, no, but whatever the case might be, I want to be able to travel more. So that's definitely one of my goals. Okay, so this is basically the last question, and it's similar to the question that I just answered before, but it's saying when will I travel the world? So that will be eventually after I have my degree, you know, before I have kids, of course, because once you have kids everything changes, you know. I mean, I like to be married, but you know, you just gotta see how things go, you know, I don't want to jinx nothing, but yeah, I want to be able to travel the world when I accomplish majority of the things that I want to do in my life. So one of the major things is basically having a family, but that's a goal that can always wait because I'm still young and I still have a lot to learn, I still have a lot to do. So kids and family is not a priority, but I do want to build relationships and build myself. So I won't be able to travel until I do all of that, but hopefully very soon. I'm basically gonna try to start my traveling or whatever like this summer. So hopefully I'm gonna pray to God, I'm gonna pray on it, I'm gonna pray on it. But this video is coming to an end. I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.